Hello, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Everything in our class, in our course is coming along well for you, including the project. If you have any questions, feel free to mark a time with me through my office hours. Let's talk about today's lecture. This week, we are going to look at a very commonly used feature. Most apps you have used probably use something like this. It's called a concurrency or multi-threading or running asynchronous tasks. So for example, let's say you have an app that shows you the price of stocks. Okay, so when the market is open, the prices change every second sometimes, or even more frequently. And any app that does that needs to retrieve that information continuously from wherever, what their source is. And that usually happens on a separate thread than what is shown to you in the UI. Because if it was done on the UI, then every time that request is made, so the time it takes for the app to initiate, to create a request, talk to the other web server and receive the data and process it, in that time your display will be frozen, and nobody likes that. So for a smooth experience, most apps that have a functionality like this, where a task may take longer uh, than a few milliseconds, and it may block the actually it may end up blocking. Sometimes it's not even about, it's hard to predict what task may take longer. So based on the type of functionality, you may choose to implement it such that the display runs on one thread, and whatever else that the display doesn't necessarily depend on critically, that can happen on another task. So another example, which is what you will see in today's module, the example that is used is writing information to the disk. So you may be doing something that changes whatever information that the app stores. So that can be done on a separate thread. That way, if it takes longer for the operating system to do that, then then it is reasonable to freeze the display for that can happen in the background, and your display stays fluid. So that's what this is about. And today, what we will do is we will let me see. Let me share my screen. We will use basically what we'll do is we'll use a tutorial for this our module that is created by Apple itself for the iOS. Okay, and this is how we will do it. Okay, let me write. I can't find the screen that I want to share. Just give me one moment, please. Bear with me. Okay. Share screen. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this is today's module. So there's this introductory video, and then everything is laid out for you. It's a sequence of links, and when you click this link, it will take you to the tutorial. It's a very long tutorial. We have picked the portion that is of interest to us. So it starts in that portion. Yeah, the first one is an article. It's just information about what it is like to do and how it is generally done. The background task processing, asynchronous tasks. And then the next one, it is also linked to from here, but you can click that next button, which was at the bottom of the page. And this is where you will get to do some hands-on coding. And here you will see that there is a download project files. So this is the starter project. Download the starter project. So you will download this and then you'll be able to follow along. And like that, you carry on. We'll do 4 such units. 2 of them are hands-on, two of them are not. And then there is at the end, there is a bonus material where basically the app that this example uses, it uses a certain kind of timer, and there is a view necessary related to draw the progress, the timer progress. So that is the bonus material. Okay, so there you have it. All right, you can start working with that, and I'll see you next time.